Hey guys, Caroline here, and this is another Federal Brace Minute. Today we're in the Federal Brace conference room and we're going to be setting up a little shelf using 2 universal shelf brackets and 3 teak shelf inserts. Let's get started. This project starts with 2 of the universal shelf brackets. These brackets can be wall mounted, hung from the ceiling, or like we're doing today, they can be freestanding. Next, we will add in our teak shelf inserts, which are crafted from authentic teak, renowned for its natural benefits. Its high concentration of natural oils and tight wood grain make it perfect for humid environments like kitchens and bathrooms. Each shelf comes in 2 sizes, either 24 inches or 32 inches long, and has a depth of 11.5 inches. This provides the perfect amount of space for displaying dishes, photos, books, plants, and more. What's more is they're compatible with several other brackets we offer, some of these including the floating shelf clamp, the industrial shelf bracket, and many more.